What is happening this weekend, everybody? Hope everybody's having a great weekend. So this is week 4 of my Road to 10K challenge, which is I put $75 in here a month ago, 4 weeks ago, and I'm trying to build it up to 10K, and let's check out where we are right now. So I'm really excited about this one right here, guys, because we made our initial $75 investment back and then some, guys. We are at $156.23. On the day, we are up $8.52, and on the week, we are up $11.52, and then on the month, we're up $26.97. So right now, we're gonna go scroll down and we're gonna look into what I'm invested in right now. So right now, what I have is I have 5 shares of APXT, I have 11 shares of UAVS, and I have 100 shares of Inuvo. So quite a bit has changed since last week, guys. I hopped out of a couple investments, hopped into a couple investments. So let's look at number 1 on the list right now where we're at. We're at APXT right here. Apex Technologies, they are down on the day, but it's only by 4 cents. But on the week, they are also down by 9 cents, and on the month, they're up $4. So we're gonna scroll down here and see exactly where I hopped in at, because there was actually a comment that was left about that. So I figured I'd show you guys exactly where I'm jumping in on these stocks and whatnot, and where I plan to exit. Right here with this one, I'm not too sure where I'm planning to exit yet. I'm waiting for this whole merge thing to be announced and be completed and written in stone. So right now, what we are looking at is I have 5 shares of APXT. The average cost for each of these shares is at $13.61, and the total market value is $71.55, which is almost what my initial investment into this whole thing was, which makes up 45.95% of my portfolio. So pretty much with this one, guys, we're still waiting on Apex to announce this complete merge with AvePoint and Microsoft, because once that happens, you can definitely see this as an upward of a $20 stock. I'm honestly looking for $40, but anyways, you always know this is just my opinion, not investment advice. I'm just letting you guys know where I'm expecting to see things at. So with this one, I'm really expecting to see $40, so I'm gonna probably be holding out until then, guys. On the next one, we are going to be looking at UAVS. Let's open this one up right here. UAVS is Ageagle Aerial Systems. This is a new one that I just jumped in on recently, guys. Right now on the day, they are up 83 cents. On the week, they are up $1.23. And on the month, they are up $1.63. They're trading right now at $4.06, and I'm about to get into why I was interested in this one in just a minute. But first, let's look. I jumped in on this one at $2.85. I really wish I had the time to kind of alert you guys that I was going to jump in on this one, just in case you were interested in checking it out for yourself. But I've been caught up with school and stuff like that. But I'm going to try to see if I can keep you guys updated as much as possible. But anyways, right now we're at $44.66 on my total market value with this one, and this one makes up 28% of my portfolio. So before we get into exactly why I'm interested in this in particular company, we're going to read the about page real quick. AG Aerial Systems Incorporated engages in the design, distribution, and support of unmanned aerial vehicle data acquisition drones for precision agriculture industry. So that right there, guys, is exactly why I'm interested in this company, because I really believe that besides the EV sector taking off and everything, I really believe that drones, AI, anything in that general area are going to be the next runners up. Anything dealing with robotics, anything like that, we're about to see blow up very soon within the next coming months, guys. On the statistical side, they have an average volume of 6 million. They have a market cap of 234 million and have a 52-week high of $5.15 with the 52-week low of 19 cents. And I'm gonna scroll up here really quick so you guys can see this. This is a fairly new company. They were listed on March 27th of 2018, which is not that long ago. So one very large reason that I'm interested in this company is for their agricultural use. As you can see here, these drones can be used for farms, for watering crops and stuff like that, and just laying down pesticides and things like that, guys. I can see a very, very big use case for this in the agricultural world, as well as things like this with the police station thinking about using robotic dogs. If they're thinking about using robotic dogs, don't you think they would possibly think about using drones, because they can cover a large, vast area of ground if they're looking for somebody without having to deploy something like a helicopter, which is going to use up a lot of fuel. So that's one very, very big reason that I'm looking into this, because I can definitely see these guys making some very, very big deals in these areas in the coming future. So you may ask yourself, why this company? Why not something like DJI or like another big drone company out there? Well, it just so happens that recently on December 18th, DJI as well as a few other Chinese company names were blacklisted from the United States for being used in agricultural use. So that leaves companies like UAVS no true competition, guys. This is a very big thing. I would definitely look out for this company, guys, because I can see them making some big moves in the near future. There has also been talk of them working with Amazon. I'm not sure on what's going on with that, because not much has been disclosed. Amazon likes to be very, very quiet with things like this. So if this is something that may happen in the near future, this is just an extra added plus, guys. This is definitely something to keep on your watch list and to consider watching into the near future. And last up on the list, guys, we have Inuvo. There has not been much going on with this company, and I'm actually happy about that, because it could be going down in the wrong direction, but usually whenever there's not much happening, that means it's coiling up to make much happen. But anyways, guys, we've been sitting at about 39 to 40 cent range for the past week. But other than that, guys, not much has been going on with this one, but I can definitely see this one raising some eyebrows in the near future. Definitely see 75 cent plus in the near future on this one. So that's what I'm holding out for, and we'll reassess our position once that happens. So the account's in very good standing right now. I'm looking to get up to about $300 very soon. By the end of the year, hopefully we can get 170 plus, but once we hit that $300 range, I think we're gonna be golden from there. It's just gonna be blue skies. But anyways, guys, I'm definitely gonna try to keep you guys updated a lot more often, because I should be graduating school soon. Once that happens, I'll have a lot more time to be pushing these videos out and show you guys exactly what I'm looking at, and maybe what exactly you may be interested in looking at. I might bring something to your attention, you know what I mean? But anyways, I'm gonna leave some links in the description below. If you're new to investing, you're looking for somewhere to invest, I would definitely recommend checking out Webull or maybe Robinhood. Both are decent for beginners, and then once you start getting a little bit better at it, you can go to places like TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, E-Trade, things like that. But anyways, guys, this is all I got for today's video. If you like my content, please think about commenting below, leave a like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.